Today we got a Lenovo laptop. The problem with it is that its processing is very slow. So today we will install SSD in it instead of hard disk. That will make it a lot faster. And we will replace its hard disk with its CD drive. Let's get started. We'll open all the screw with the help of a screwdriver. Eject CD drive. Open the keyboard with the help of an opener. Open the back panel with the help of an opener. Remove the battery connector. Eject the hard disk. Unscrew the screws on the hard drive. We are installing WD-SSD in the laptop, which has 256 gigabytes storage. Put the SSD in place of the hard drive. Install the back panel and battery connector. Put all the screws on the back panel. Put the keyboard back on. Install Windows on laptop. Install Windows. You can fit the hard disk into the CD slot using a 9.5mm caddy. This will show your hard drive on your computer. Now your laptop will work much faster. Done!